Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all well, and today I'm back with another video. You could see the prettiest, the ones who live in Dubai would get an idea where I am. I am in Dubai Hills Mall. It is one of my favorite malls in Dubai. Trust me, after Dubai Mall. So you see the pretty cuteness, these cute arrangements of beauty that they have done throughout the mall are amazing. I'll make sure to capture these for you guys today. So the Dubai summer surprises have set in, and today I've also come for having some peek into what I can get on the sales. Because this is the best time to avail the sales in summers, and you could see the crowd. If I keep on capturing for you guys, there are a lot of people over here because of the sales, obviously. So let's just go around and see what amazing stuff we are going to get. So for me, in front of mine is Mother Care. It has 25 to 75% off. So all you mamas over there, come and get your hands on the stuff that's good. So for me, the first stop would be a home center, obviously, because I am also a very homey freak, and I am also always into getting stuff for home. So, and Bath and Body Works has also some things ongoing, some offers. So let's just get rolling and go to home center first, and I'll show you what I get from there. So guys, this is one of my favorite section. I'm in love with woody things and the textures, etc. And this is the table which I've loved really. It's compact and it's very good for small family, and especially the small apartments that we live in here in Dubai. So let's see if it's also on sale. Like it's 2000 from 2700. So let's see if we have a plan to get this. And then I love these decoration baskets for storage, etc, etc. So let's explore stuff here in home center, and I'll show you what I get at the end of the video. So guys, let me tell you, I have a severe love for these lamps, like I told you, the wooden touch and all. So please come to home center and avail the sales and buy these if you want. To me, they look extremely splendid and pretty. This section is one of my favorites. You can see how much people are here because they are cafes. This is a very famous cafe. Their coffee and desserts are very good. So this is one cute thing that I wanted to show you. It's you could call it a beer or a rabbit, whatever you would want, but this looks so pretty and cute. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this, and there are a few other things over there that I'll go and show. But first, let's go to Clark's because they have an amazing 40% off going on right now. Flat 40% off on everything, and their shoes are immensely good and comfortable. So if you want, please come and try, because Dubai summer surprises are at its peak right now, and it's still daytime before Maghrib prayer. So let's go inside Clark's and see what could we find, because even this one that I'm wearing right now, it's from Clark's and it's very comfortable. Like it pulls me through a whole workday. Another beautiful thing that I wanted to show you was this cute thing that they have hanged from the roof, and it's really pretty. And yeah, it's just a huge, enormous crowds of people who are coming here and there. First floor is a bit empty right now. It's not. Yeah, it's the first floor. The ground floor has more options for shopping. So let's go downstairs and see what we can find over there. But do you see this? It's a bee, and then it's her eggs. So this is what kind of a look that they have tried to give over here. And we have Nike store over there. So let's go and check out what offers we have, though Nike never gives an off like this. On some websites like Namshi and all, you get an off on Nike Jordans, etc, Nike Air, but like you see on their store, there's nothing off right now. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll definitely show you what I got from home center once I get back home. So guys, I wanted to show you how pretty this way to the restroom looks like, how they have been put proper frames over the wall, so it looks pretty. And then you have the washrooms, and then you have the praying area as well ahead. So if you want to come over here and pray, you can do that. You see, here's a praying area, and somebody is already inside, so you can always come over here and pray. So far I haven't been able to find much of a good things except from home center here, and now here I am at Decathlon to see if I can find some good gym wear, workout wear you could say. And furthermore, actually the vibe of this place is very good. In the daytime it looks very pretty. You can always go around, you can go to good coffee shops because there are so many good options over here. So that's the idea, and you can see the plants and the trees over here. So if you plan to come and enjoy and escape the crowd from the biggest malls like Dubai Mall and Mall of Emirates, come over here. But I must say that the variety of clothes etc. is much more in Dubai Mall than here, at least for the 2-3 brands that I have gone to. So yeah, this is one of the coolest sitting place that they have prepared over here, you could see. And then we have another let me show you maybe from here, this cute thing that they are hanging from the top. This is how Dubai Hills Mall is. These things, they signify, and whenever we want to or rather we are viewing other people's stories on Instagram, their videos, such things, they let us know that oh, they are here in the Dubai Hills. So yeah, this is I think the main entrance, because from outside when you come over here from the front side maybe. So yeah, we have come back to the same place because we just clouds. So I just wanted to show you, this thing is there in the Fashion Avenue side of Dubai Mall. It's not like this, it's somewhat similar to this. The Fashion Avenue, it's something of its own. So this is a brand called SJP, and they have some part sale going on. They are very much famous for their coat shoes, and that too with high heels and colored coat shoes. So if you want to fetch some stuff, come over here. The sale is on. So we have some other brands. We have MK over here, and then this cute it's kind of a moon shape, and how it's being projected over here, it's really pretty. So, and look at the mall, it looks so amazing. And we have at the ground floor we have Pete's Coffee. They have a very good coffee. If you want to have coffee from here, come and try. So yeah, that's it for a few sneak peeks of Dubai Hills Mall. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and comment on my videos what you want to see. We have a very good sale going on, American Eagle as well. And then you can see MAC over here. So you see MAC, I think they have some offer going on as well. That's why there are so many people over there. So guys, I'll catch up with you in my very next video. So until then, take care and leave your good comments on my videos. MK also has some sale going on. So like every brand has, but then they have molded it to the way they want. Like in one of the brands I went to, one stupid shelf has a sale on which didn't have any good things on it, but the other good stuff, it was not on sale, and they were claiming it's new, though I saw them in the start of the summer. So you know, this is how the brands and the marketing it works. So this MK brand over here, it also has sales going on. I carry their bags always in the workwear, so make sure to come and check it out. So that's it from me, and my cute little Saturday being spent with you guys. So I'll catch up with you in my very next video. So until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.